In 2026, the definition of wealth has fundamentally shifted. It is no longer about the accumulation of visible luxury goods or status symbols. We are moving away from traditional consumption toward high yield personal infrastructure. True prosperity is found in optimizing human capital. By prioritizing cognitive performance and efficiency, we transition from merely consuming assets to building a foundation that yields sustainable returns on our energy and time. Stop asking, "What can I buy?" and start asking, "What increases my return on energy?" True wealth is moving from a purely financial return on investment toward a return on energy. If an expense does not improve your health, buy back your time, or amplify your professional output, it is simply a liability. Anything else is just a liability on your ledger. The foundation of modern high performance living begins with your sleep environment. Circadian optimization is not a luxury, but a capital investment. Smart mattresses that regulate temperature and advanced blackout technology are essential tools. By minimizing environmental noise and regulating your internal core temperature, you maximize cognitive recovery. Prioritize these upgrades to secure measurable gains in your daily mental clarity and long-term professional output. The second strategic upgrade focuses on nutritional logistics. This involves moving away from the daily cycle of cooking and food selection toward a systematized nutrition model. By utilizing meal delivery systems synchronized with your specific blood work data, you ensure that your intake is optimized for your body's unique requirements. This approach is designed to eliminate decision fatigue. By automating your nutrition, you preserve your cognitive energy for high-leverage intellectual work throughout the day. Ultimately, this shift is not just about eating. It is an investment in your long-term cognitive efficiency and daily peak performance. The third strategic upgrade is shifting from reactive fitness to preventative biometric monitoring. Traditional gym memberships are valuable, but modern wealth builders focus on hard data to identify health crises before they manifest. This means utilizing advanced diagnostic tools. DEXA scans provide precise body composition metrics, CGMs offer real-time metabolic feedback, and quarterly blood panels provide deep functional insights. By investing in these biometrics, you replace guesswork with a personalized maintenance protocol, ensuring your physical foundation supports your professional growth for decades. The fourth strategic upgrade is information filtering. Stop consuming free, low-quality media. Free information is often noise, designed to capture your attention rather than provide insight. Instead, curate your input. By joining paid high-signal research networks and mastermind groups, you pay for clarity. This upgrade preserves your mental bandwidth for the high-leverage work that actually builds wealth. The fifth critical upgrade is time recovery. By implementing a delegation stack, you systematically outsource low-leverage tasks to reclaim 10 to 20 hours a week for high-leverage intellectual work. Focus on the distinction between tasks. Low-leverage activities like administration and scheduling consume your energy. High-leverage activities such as deep work and strategic planning drive your growth. When you successfully outsource the maintenance tasks, you effectively buy back 10 to 20 hours each week. This creates the necessary space for you to operate at your highest potential. The sixth upgrade is digital security. As your net worth grows, so does the target on your digital footprint. It is time to treat your data with the same level of protection as your physical assets. First, implement physical security keys for all accounts. These hardware devices provide a physical layer of authentication that passwords alone simply cannot match. Second, standardize on encrypted communication tools. By ensuring your private conversations are end-to-end encrypted, you harden your communication channels against unauthorized access. Security is not a static state. It is an active infrastructure upgrade that turns your digital life into a resilient, protected fortress. The eighth strategic upgrade is mentorship access. Many people spend years networking with peers at their own level, but the most significant growth often requires paying for access to networks where mentors who are 10 to 20 years ahead can guide your decisions. Think of this as an admission fee. By investing in these exclusive circles, you are not just buying information, You are buying the ability to collapse time and avoid costly mistakes. Invest in high signal networks to maximize your return on energy. Outgrow your basic accountant. By hiring high level tax strategists, you build legal structures that act as a fortress, preserving your wealth against regulatory shifts and volatility. Lifestyle creep is the silent enemy of true wealth. It is the tendency to increase your spending at the exact same rate your income rises, effectively keeping you on a hamster wheel of consumption. The hedonic trap occurs when you chase temporary luxury goods that fail to provide lasting satisfaction. You end up working harder to support a lifestyle that drains your energy rather than fueling your potential. True wealth is not found in luxury goods, but in the infrastructure you build around your life. While goods depreciate and drain your energy, infrastructure investments like better sleep and high leverage skills appreciate, compounding your freedom over time. Remember, satisfaction is a byproduct of the freedom these upgrades provide, not the consumption of things. Invest in your capacity to produce and sustain, and you will break free from the trap. In 2026, the shift in wealth management is clear. It moves away from visible status symbols toward invisible infrastructure. Conspicuous consumption focuses on labels and aesthetics that lose value. Stealth wealth prioritizes the internal systems of your life. True wealth is built on invisible foundations. First, health optimization that sustains high energy. Second, time recovery through delegation. Third, hardened digital and legal security. Stealth wealth is about internal leverage. By focusing on your internal infrastructure, you build a foundation that scales far beyond any aesthetic label. The new standard is AI integration. Don't simply hire people, hire experts who can build AI workflows. By delegating cognitive tasks to specialized AI agents, you free your mind for higher leverage strategy. This approach multiplies your output. Where a human assistant has limits, an integrated AI stack offers speed and scalability. Integrate these workflows to build your own personal efficiency infrastructure. Investing in your health at age 30 yields significantly higher long-term returns than starting at age 50. Just like financial capital, metabolic health compounds over time. Metabolic stability serves as your greatest long-term financial asset. By preventing chronic issues early, you avoid the heavy energy tax that accumulates as you age. Prioritizing your physical maintenance is not merely an expense, it is a high-yield investment in your future capacity to build and maintain wealth. The final tier of modern wealth is resilience planning. In a world of increasing global uncertainty, you must upgrade your personal sovereignty. First, prioritize personal sovereignty. This means digitizing and physically securing your identity, legal directives, and residency proofs within multiple redundant, encrypted, and decentralized vaults. Second, diversify your digital assets. True resilience isn't just about stocks, it's about ensuring your value is distributed across self-custodied nodes and multi-jurisdictional channels, shielded from single points of failure. Resilience planning transforms you from a participant in a volatile system into a sovereign individual, ready to navigate global uncertainty with confidence. In high-growth phases, the biggest barrier to success is often not your ability, but your administrative bandwidth. The Chief of Staff model involves hiring a personal project manager to handle the friction of daily life. By offloading scheduling, logistics, and routine decision-making, you preserve your cognitive energy for high-leverage professional tasks, drastically reducing the risk of burnout. This model is not just an expense, it is a strategic investment in the longevity of your career, ensuring your time is spent where it creates the most value. Investing in deep work is about creating a high-performance infrastructure. Your professional output is directly tied to your environment. A distraction-free zone is a capital asset. Spending on professional soundproofing and air filtration systems directly scales your cognitive stamina. By removing environmental friction, you reduce cognitive load, allowing for sustained, high-value professional output. This isn't just luxury, it is a calculated investment. The ROI is measured in your capacity for deep, uninterrupted work. Outsourcing low-leverage maintenance tasks transforms your daily capacity. By delegating these duties, you unlock significant gains in both life and work. Studies demonstrate a 34% increase in life satisfaction and a 20% boost in professional productivity. These figures represent the compounding returns of buying back your most valuable asset, time. The future of wellness is moving away from generic advice toward precision health. This is powered by personalized longevity plans. We begin by gathering real-time biometric data. Everything from glucose levels to sleep recovery acts as a data point for your unique profile. Advanced AI interprets these metrics, identifying patterns that a standard wellness program would miss. This is the shift from guessing to scientific optimization. The output is a dynamic, long-term longevity roadmap. It is not a static routine, but a living plan that evolves as your data changes. By leveraging biometric data, we optimize for human performance and longevity on an individual basis. To build sustainable freedom, we must unify 4 key pillars. These pillars transform raw capital into a high-yield personal infrastructure. The first pillar is health, biometric optimization, and energy maintenance. The first pillar is time, strategic delegation, and high-leverage work. The first pillar is security, legal fortresses, and data protection. The first pillar is knowledge, curated information, and mentorship access. Optimizing these areas creates the foundation for true wealth. By focusing on health, time, security, and knowledge, you move beyond simple accumulation towards sustainable freedom. To finalize your transition into high-yield personal infrastructure, we conclude with a simple action plan. Do not try to change your entire life overnight. Instead, pick one upgrade this week. Select the area that yields the highest return on energy for you. Whether it is optimizing your sleep, delegating administrative burdens, or upgrading your nutritional logistics, commit to one change. Build your infrastructure step by step. By focusing on your energy and your time, you are not just spending money, you are investing in your most valuable asset, yourself. Start today. Your future self is waiting for the infrastructure you build right now.